little world. Today we are going to make paper easy flower. For that we need glue, stick, scissor, pencil, 3 color papers, yellow, green, red. Now we can see how to make. First we have to cut this red paper in this square shape. Then we have to take our pencil. We have to draw like leaf shape. Now we have to cut this one. Now we have to take this stick and take this yellow paper in this shape. Now take your glue and put some glue in your yellow paper. Now we have to stick it in this upside only. Take your pencil and just fold this paper inside. This both side we have to do. Now we have to put some glue. Now we have to stick it here. Now it's become like this. Then we have to take like this one big paper in green color. Then put some glue. Then round it like this. It's become like this. Now we want to make leaf. So we need to take like this one small paper of green color paper. We have to fold it like this. Then we have to cut it like a leaf shape. Okay, now we have to stick it in our flower. our flower is ready. If you like our flower, please subscribe and like our little world. Thank you. ഇനി ഞങ്ങളെ വീട്ടിലെ ഒരു കുഞ്ഞു പൂന്തോട്ടം കാണിച്ചു തരാം. ഇതിന് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ സ്മെല്ലുള്ള ഈ വൈറ്റ് പൂവിനാണ്. ഇത് നമ്മൾ നാട്ടിൽ കാണുന്ന മല്ലികയാണ്.